Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a topic that many of us might overlook but can greatly impact our comfort and health at home. Humidity. Yes, that often invisible enemy lurking in the damp corners of our basements, bathrooms, and sometimes even our bedrooms. Too much moisture in the air can lead to a host of issues. Think mold, musty odors, and even damage to your prized possessions. So, how can we combat this issue effectively? Well, I have just the solution for you. The Aeocky 4,500 square feet dehumidifier. Let's explore what sets this dehumidifier apart from the crowd. First off, it's impressive in size and capability, covering up to a whopping 4,500 square feet. Just imagine being able to tackle high humidity levels in large spaces without breaking a sweat. This model can remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day under standard conditions, making it one of the most efficient options out there. And if you're concerned about energy bills, and who isn't these days, you'll be pleased to know that the Aeocky dehumidifier is ENERGY STAR certified for 2025. This means it's engineered with efficiency in mind, allowing you to save money while enjoying a dry, comfortable environment. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. One feature that really makes this dehumidifier smart is its intelligent humidistat. Have you ever struggled with setting the perfect humidity level? With this unit, it automatically detects and adjusts to your desired humidity levels. Now, you can set it and forget it. This technology means no more guessing games, which is a relief. And as if that wasn't enough, the smart compressor technology ensures optimal performance, adjusting the operation based on the room's specific needs. This not only enhances efficiency, but also extends the lifespan of the unit. Isn't that a win-win? Speaking of design, the Aeocky dehumidifier isn't just powerful, it also boasts a sleek, modern look. It fits seamlessly into any room's decor. Whether you decide to place it in a basement, bathroom, or even your living area, it blends right in without drawing too much attention to itself. Plus, its sturdy build quality means it's built to last, so you can count on it for the long haul. Now, let's get to the performance aspect, because that's really what we care about, right? This dehumidifier tackles high humidity levels with ease, leaving your air fresh and dry. And what's even more impressive is that it operates quietly. You can go about your daily activities without the constant hum of machinery in the background. Isn't that nice? Setting it up? A piece of cake. The user-friendly interface is designed for everyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. And here's a game changer. The included drain hose allows for continuous drainage. This feature is perfect for larger spaces or long-term use. No more emptying buckets every few hours. Let's not forget about energy efficiency, which is another strong suit for the Aeocky dehumidifier. When we compare it to similar models, you'll find that it consumes significantly less power. This makes it a great budget-friendly choice in the long run. Imagine the savings over time. And don't just take my word for it. Customer reviews speak volumes about this product. Many users rave about its reliability and effectiveness, especially when it comes to handling large areas without the need for constant maintenance. Can you relate? Have you ever dealt with a dehumidifier that just didn't get the job done? Well, this could be the answer to your humidity woes. In conclusion, if you're battling excess moisture in your home, the Aeocky 4,500 square feet dehumidifier is definitely a top-tier choice. With its intelligent features, energy efficiency, and robust performance, it's truly a worthy investment for creating a healthier, drier living environment. So, are you ready to take control of your humidity levels? If so, check out the product link below for more details, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Whether you're a current user or considering making a purchase, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Let's get the conversation going. How has managing humidity impacted your home life? We're eager to hear your stories. Click on the link below to get discount.